प्रोग्राम में एक बार फिर खुशामदीद नाजरीन। हाल ही में कुछ खबरें आई कि पाकिस्तान से जो कंपनियां हैं वो बंद हो रही हैं, बल्कि बैरून मुल्क जा रही हैं अपना कारोबार यहां से बंद करके। लेकिन हाल ही में चाइना के जो कुछ दौरे हुए उसके बाद अब ये भी खबरें सामने आ रही हैं कि चाइना से जो अहम कंपनियां हैं वो पाकिस्तान आने का उन्होंने फ़ैसला किया है। इसी हवाले से हम गुफ्तगू करेंगे। हाओ यो जाओ जो कि नायब सदर हैं चीन अफ्रीका इक़्तिसादी तिजारती एसोसिएशन की, वो हमारे साथ हैं, हम उनसे गुफ्तगू करेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस मिस हाओ। मुझे ये बताइएगा कि अभी इब्तदाई तौर पर कितनी कंपनियां हैं जो चाइना से पाकिस्तान आ रही हैं और आपको क्या मौक़े नज़र आ रहे हैं?
Okay, so thank you, sir. So, in the last 2 weeks ago, and we bring 3 Chinese delegations come to Pakistan to visit. And those 3 Chinese companies, they come to Pakistan is during Mr. President Zardali. He visited China in September. So we signed the MOU with the Pakistani company. So they come to town is about the agriculture. One company is about agriculture. One company is about the sewage water treatment and the clean water treatment. And the third one is about the fire truck, the fire truck company. So they can provide the system. So for the 3 companies, they would like to implement the MOU during Ms. President's visit in China in September. So they come, we just do the research and discuss with the local government how to cooperate and how to cooperate for further. And those 3 companies, they will invest in Pakistan as well.
क्या ये तमाम कंपनियां, जैसे आपने कराची का जिक्र किया, तो क्या कराची में जो पानी का एक मसला है, साफ पीने का पानी का एक मसला है, क्या उस पर भी ये कंपनीज काम करेंगी या ओवरऑल किस हवाले से काम होगा?
Yes. They will work in Karachi, and we will for the agriculture. This agriculture company, they are doing developing the system of the big data and also producing the animal vaccine and also for the animal ear tag. So they would like to set up invest in Karachi and set up a lab in Karachi. Maybe not in the center 1 hour by driving. So they will to producing and the animal vaccine and promote and also will work together with the livestock of minister together. So for promoting how to farming high quality.
तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि मजीद कंपनियां जो हैं वो भी पाकिस्तान आने का इरादा रखती हैं?
Yes, this is no doubt, and this year is the 10th year, for the COPE, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, the CPEC. This is the 10th year, and this year on 2025, Mr. President Zardali, he visited China twice. So it's like we got lots of confidence from the Pakistan side and also Chinese side. And due to the Senator Salim, he also visited China, promote Pakistan, and introduced to all the Chinese company how we can set up in Pakistan for the company, how we can invest in Pakistan, how we can cooperate with the local government together. So we have lots of confidence, and many Chinese companies, we are very interested in investing in Pakistan. But before we have no idea how to go to Pakistan and how we find a good person, where we can register in Pakistan, what's the regulation, because China and Pakistan, some policy is different. But for the company, for the people, we know China and Pakistan is the best friend. Like me, we are like in China now. I didn't feel I'm in another country. So during the 3 delegations, they will implement their project very soon. I'm sure they will become a very successful case for the example investor in Pakistan.
अच्छा, आखिर में सिर्फ ये बताइएगा कि ये जितनी कंपनीज का आप जिक्र कर रही हैं, ये जब कंपनियां पाकिस्तान आएंगी तो इनसे लोकल्स जो हैं उनको कितना फ़ायदा होगा, रोज़गार के कितने मौके आपकी नज़र में पैदा होंगे?
Yes, this is no doubt, because we will invest. We are not just set up an office. We would like to set up the treatment factory and also for the animal vaccine lab and also for the fair track manufacturing line in the near future. So we would like to employ local labor because we know Pakistan have lots of skilled labor here. So we would like to training them and we want to move our technology from China to Pakistan. So like this, we can looking for the long-term relationship with Pakistan, and we can enhance the tax revenue and provide more job opportunity to them. And also for example, for the water treatment, we can provide much cheaper and much better technology water. And also for the animal, we can get the farmer together how to improve the quality, how to reduce the to tricking the animal, tricking the cattle, reduce their disease, and we will to bring the new type of the animal vaccine as soon as possible. And also, next year is the 75 years diplomatic year between China and Pakistan. And during Senator Salim to visit China this year, and also the Mr. President visit this year. So we also have not only the three companies, and I would like to say the Legend of Malajat, because they are visiting China now. The Legend of Malajat, the movie, will release in China next year. This is the first revenue sharing quarter in Pakistan movie. Every year in China, we have 34 quarters for the revenue sharing model for the release of the movie. This means the quarter. It means our government have confidence with the producer together to promote the movie, release the movie. And in our history, we never have Pakistan movie. So this is the first one. So we are very excited about that. And probably next year on March, now all the DCP is already done. And before, for Chinese, we are not very familiar with the Pakistani movie. So we think this is a very great chance for Chinese as well. And we are planning to hold a Pakistani movie week in China for next year, and also a Chinese movie in Pakistan week next year to celebrate the 75 years. And also we also focusing on the education exchange. So now we will work with one of the Chinese university, which is our chairman Mao Zedong's university, and also his hometown. So this university is called Hunan University. So we will work with the Zebast University together to cooperate, and we will provide more PhD and more master degree for them. We will offer the Chinese language, and we will offer the internship for the Pakistani students, and also have the short term.
चलें, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका वक्त निकालने का। नाजरीन, गुफ्तगू आपने सुनी। आज के प्रोग्राम में इतना ही। इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।